Hi dears, in this video we'll discuss exercise 4.3. Question number 1 is to find the area of the triangle, and whenever you have the vertices given like this, you can just take it as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. This is just a mere substitution in the formula. Okay, there is no further steps before the formula. So I'll write the formula area of triangle. This is by determinant method, half into determinant of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and the last column will be 1. So we need to expand like the previous exercise, how we did, the same way we need to expand and we need to find the answer. Let's substitute the value. In place of x1, y1, it is 1, 0, x2, y2 is 6, 0, and x3, y3 is 4, 3. And last column is 1. So mention along which row or column you're going to expand. And the hint here is wherever you have 0 in any particular row or column, along that row or column, if you're expanding, the expansion will be easy. As we have 2 zeros in column 2, we are going to expand along that column and mention here. So expanding along column 2. And using a pencil, just mention the signs of those positions alone, minus, plus, and minus. Then start to find the answer. So in a bracket, since the first two entries are 0, we don't even to bother about that. So minus 3 into deleting the corresponding row and column, we have 1611, that is 1 into 1, minus 1 into 6, that is 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 3 is plus 15. So 15 by 2 square units. You can end here or you can write it in the decimal as 7.5 square units. Either you can end with fraction or you can write the decimal if needed. So both the way the answers are correct. Okay. So this is using the determinant method if vertices are given. Similarly, second subdivision, the question is 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8. Take it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And write the formula. So area of the triangle will be half into determinant of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And the last column is 1. Let us make the entry. In place of x1, y1, it is 2, 7, x2, y2 is 1, 1, and x3, y3 is 10, 8. Last column is 1. So we'll use the last column as expanded. So expanding along column 3. And let's write the position sign in pencil. So plus, minus, plus, and we'll do the expansion. So half outside plus 1 into the minor of that particular element by deleting the corresponding row and column is 1, 1, 10, 8. And minus 1 into particular row and column, if we delete, we have 2, 7, 10, 8. And last one plus 1 into deleting the corresponding row and column, we have 2, 7, 1, 1. So simplify this, we get half into 1 outside, 8 minus 10 is minus 2. So plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 2 8s are 16, and 16 minus 70, we have minus 1 outside, plus 1 into 2 minus 7, that is plus 1 into minus 5 is minus 5, and we have minus 47 by 2. As we have minus 47, we need to, sorry, it is plus 47. So either 47 square units or you can write with decimal 25.5 square units. If you have any doubt, please post it in the comment section. Same way, third subdivision, it is minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 8. So taking this as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and writing the formula of area of triangle in determinant method, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and last column being 1 and substituting the values we get half into -2, -3, 3, 2, -1, -8 and 1, 1, 1. Again, we use the last column as expansion. Mention that. So expanding along column 3. And in pencil, just mention the position sign, plus, minus, and plus. Half outside. So plus 1 into, we have the deleting the corresponding to one column. We have 3, 2, -1, -8. That is -24, minus of minus, plus 2. -1 into deleting the corresponding to one column, we have -2, -3, -1, -8. So it is 16 minus 3, then plus 1 into deleting the corresponding row and column. We have -2, -3, 3 and 2. So that is -4 plus 9. Simplifying, we get -30. As I told already, if you have minus, then take the modulus. That means modulus of -30/2 square units. When we remove the modulus, it will be positive, isn't it? So we have 30/2, it is 15 square units. That's all. So we have 30/2, that becomes positive, and on simplifying, we get 15 square units. Question number 2, we have to prove the given points are collinear. Collinear means we have 3 points or more than 3 points lying on the same line. So if 3 points lie on the same line, there is no possibility of forming a triangle because at least 1 point should be out of the straight line so that we can form the triangle. So here, if we need to prove it is collinear, we need to show that area of the triangle equal to 0. If the area of triangle is 0, then we are done with proving. Okay, so we have the points A comma B plus C, B comma C plus A, C comma A plus B. As usual, take that as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and substitute in the formula. So we have area is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. And on substituting, we get half into, in place of x1, y1, it is A, B plus C. And in place of x2, y2, it is B, C plus A, and in place of x3, y3, it is C, A plus B. We can expand along any row or column, that's up to you. So we will expand along the first column. And in pencil, just write the sign so that you will not get any confusion in between. So we are expanding along column 1. And we have written the signs of those. Half outside plus A into, we have C plus A into 1 as C plus A minus 1 into A plus B. So both will be minus when we remove the brackets. Then minus B into, deleting the corresponding one column, we have B plus C into 1 minus 1 into A plus B. So it is minus A minus B. Then plus C into, deleting the corresponding column and row, we have B plus C, C plus A, 1, 1. When we multiply it as B plus C minus 1 into C plus A, that is minus C minus A. Let's see whether any terms are getting cancelled. So plus A minus A gets cancelled. Then plus B minus B gets cancelled. Plus C minus C gets cancelled. Remaining is half into A into C minus B, that is AC minus AB, minus B into C minus A, that is minus BC plus AB, plus C into B minus A, that is plus BC minus AC. And again, we'll check whether any terms getting cancelled. So plus AC minus AC gets cancelled, minus AB plus AB gets cancelled, minus BC plus BC gets cancelled. So everything is cancelled. So half into 0, it is 0 square units. As the area of the triangle with given vertices is 0 square units, the given points are collinear. Suppose excluding 0, if you are getting any other value, then they are not collinear. As we get the points are, like we have here area value as 0. So the points are collinear. I hope it is clear. If any doubts, please post it in the comment section. Okay. So question number 3, find the values of K if area of triangle is 4 square units. So when finding the A, we will use as plus or minus 4. As we are using modulus whenever we have minus sign after the expansion of the determinant. So we have to use here as plus or minus. Okay, so the first subdivision is they have given the vertices k comma 0, 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. The procedures are same, the same thing. Instead of area of triangle, we'll write it as plus or minus 4. That is only thing. So in left side, we'll write plus or minus 4. In right side, so as you know the formula, I'm just straight away I'm starting with the answer. Okay, so k 0, 4, 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1. As I mentioned you already, if we have zeros as entries in any particular row or column, that particular row or column expansion will make us easy to find the answer. So here the second column is, we have 2 zeros. So by expanding along the column 2 will makes us easy. So by expanding along column 2, so we have plus, minus, plus. Oh, sorry, I'm just writing it the opposite way. So minus, plus, minus, we have the signs. So as both two entries are zeros, we don't want to worry. And half into, I forgot that also. So half into 0, both the entries 0. So we'll do the last entry. Minus 2 into, deleting the corresponding column and row, we have K411. When we cross multiply, we get k into 1 is k, minus 4 into 1 is 4. So it is half into, when we multiply this minus sign inside, minus 2 inside, it is minus 2k plus 8. Okay, so we have plus or minus 4. So we have two cases. Case 1, it is, we can take either plus or 4, plus or minus. So I'll take plus 4. So plus 4 is equal to half into minus 2k plus 8. First multiplying 2 will get 8 equal to minus 2k plus 8. And taking minus 2k to the right side and 8 to the right side. So 8 minus 8, 0. So k value is 0. Then case 2, taking the minus sign. So minus 4 is equal to half into minus 2k plus 8, and taking this to as usual to the left side, it is minus 8 minus 2k plus 8. Taking minus 2k to the left side as plus, minus 8 to the right side as plus 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 by 2, it is 8. So k is equal to, we have the final answer 0, or k is equal to 8 is the final answer. Then the subdivision 2, we have minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 4, 0 comma k. As usual, take it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And they have given again the area as 4 square units. We'll take it as plus or minus 4 in the left side. I'm just starting with the direct substitution. But when you are doing, please write the formula. Okay. So minus 2, 0, 0, 4, 0, k, 1, 1, 1. As we have this column has two zeros, we are going to expand along the column 1. So expanding along column 1 and mention the signs with pencil, plus, minus and plus. So plus or minus 4 is equal to minus 2 and the position is plus. So plus into minus, minus, and half outside, please don't forget. So half into minus 2 into corresponding row and column. When we delete, we have 4, 1, k1, that is 4 minus k, other entries being the 0. So case 1, we are going to deal with plus 4 equal to half into this minus 2 is as a product. So it is minus 2 into 4 minus k. We can cancel this 2 here itself. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Then we have minus out, that is 4 is equal to minus 4 plus k. Taking this minus 4 to the left side, we have 8 is equal to k. And case 2, we have minus 4 is equal to minus 2 by 2 into 4 minus k. And 2 and 2 gets cancelled. We have minus 4 is equal to minus 4 minus into minus plus k, and minus 4 gets cancelled. We have k is equal to 0. So final answer, k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 8. This is the final answer. Then question number 4, we need to find the equation of line. Join the points. They have given the points. So instead of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, we have only x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So 1, comma 2 and 3, comma 6. Okay. This is the first subdivision. The same formula. Okay. And we are going to take this area of triangle equal to 0, because this is the line joining the points, and we are going to consider this last point, okay, as x comma y, and these are collinear, so area of triangle will be 0. And the formula, half into determinant of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and last column is 1. Right side will be 0 because it is known that area of triangle will be 0 for the collinear points. Okay, substituting the values, half into determinant of 1, 2, 3, 6, and x, y, the last column being 1 equal to 0. We can take this half to the right side. Again, that will become 0. And we can expand along any row or column. We'll choose the last column as expansion will be easy. So expanding along, whenever you are expanding, mention it. So expanding along column 3. And in pencil, mention this sign. Okay. So plus minus plus, we have taken this half to the right side. So 1 into deleting the corresponding row and column, we have 3, 6, xy. That is 3y minus 6x minus 1 into deleting the corresponding row and column, we have 1, 2xy. That is y minus 2x plus 1 into deleting the corresponding row and column, we have 1, 2, 3, 6. That is 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So multiplying the numbers inside, 3y minus 6x minus y plus 2x. This is 0. Plus 6 minus 6 will be 0. Isn't it? So we have 3y minus y, 2y minus 6 plus 2. It is minus 4x equal to 0. Or we can take that as, we can take minus 2x common. That will become 2x minus y equal to 0. And again, taking this minus to the right side, it will be 0 by minus 2. Any number by 0 by any number will be 0. So 2x minus y equal to 0. Or we can write it as 2x is equal to y. Okay. So this is the final answer. Then the second subdivision, the same procedure we are going to follow. Just a second, I'm so sorry. Yes. The second subdivision, we have the points 3, 1, 9, 3, and the last point will take x, y. Let's substitute. We'll take this half to the right side, that will be 0. The same procedure, 3, 1, 9, 3, x, y, 1, 1, 1 equal to half into 0. Or we'll take this half to the right side and 2 into 0, 0. We will expand along the row 3. So expanding along row 3. In pencil, mention the plus and minus. So this will be plus minus plus. So x into, we have the corresponding row and column. We have 1 minus 3 minus y into deleting the corresponding row and column. We have 3 minus 9 plus 1 into deleting the corresponding row and column. We have 3, 9 minus 9. So last entry being 0 here. So 1 minus 3 is minus 12. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. So we outside we have plus. So that will be plus 6y. This is 0. And we can take minus 12 common. We'll get x minus 3y equal to 0. Minus 2 when we take to the other side, it will be 0 by minus 2. 0 by number is 0. So x minus 3y equal to 0. Or we can write x is equal to 3y. Anyway, the answer will be correct. I hope it is clear for you all. I want you all to try the question number 5 and comment the answer. Which option is correct? And if any doubt, please post it in the comment section. And I hope this class will be useful for you all. Next video, we'll continue with the next exercise. Thank you.